And here at the Swiss National Military Museum, we've got a tiger that they're building from scratch, all original. Here she is. You can see this is what they've already got. It's great, eh? Check it. Wheels, bits and pieces down here. There's a gun. Can you see the gun? Again, it's an 88mm. There's the turret at the back. This is the body. Wheels. Guys are working on it. You can see here they've got a workshop. Okay. Here's bits and pieces. There's the old, one of the old pieces, and they're manufacturing a new one, keeping it close to the original. Here's bits and pieces that they're making. This is the baby here. Kampfpanzer Tiger 2B, Königstiger. Okay. And this is the turret. There's the 88mm. As you can see, it, not too much going on here. Bits and pieces. And this is it. She's a beaut. There are the tracks. There it is. Nice, eh? Bye.